is the root of all sin. Pride is the reason why Lucifer, made by God so beautiful, became Satan today. You know that it's pride when the center is I. Igsuon, kumusta ang imong panglantaw sa imong self? Unsa imong panglantaw sa imong value? Because the more you're jealous with what others have or who they are, the more ka igsuon, kanang jealousy, mauna siya ang makapahimo sa tao nga prideful na noon ta. Because once prideful ang individuals, relationship will be broken. Because pride is the opposite of humility. Humility is saying, let us talk so we could meet in the middle. Humility is not lowering your standard or your point of view, because that's false humility. Kabalo ba mo, daghang tawo passive, sige na lang, okay na lang, ikaw na lang. Gikapoy na sila makig-away. Ni-decide sila mahimong passive. Kabalo ba mo, dili na humility? Humility is knowing your worth and knowing who you are and knowing what you're able to do and willing to compromise in the middle. That's humility. Humility is not being a leader. Marami tawag, sige kay humble man ko, okay ra ko, dili ko leader. Sila na lang. No, you're missing it. God wanted you to do something amazing and now you're giving it to others who even are not as capable as you. Remember, lain-lain o gasa ang gihatag ni Lord sa tua. The moment ma-misled ta nga ang paghilom o ang pagdili, pakig-fight about something that's worth it, abi na to humility na. Kay kung mo stand up ka, abi ni mo pride na. No, it's not. There are a lot of leaders who are standing up for something that they believe is right and willing to fight for it in humility. Sometimes no maglibog ta, abi na to, humble na kung dili ka mo tingog. Humble na kung imong kasing-kasing ra ang maghuot, andi na lang ka musturya. What will happen? Kung ang mamagpapa, dili na lang sila mag-istorya ay, si mama na lang tanan mo decide. Kay ang papa, gikapoy na siya. O nahimo na siyang passive. Di na ko mo decide, di lang ko mo tingog. Sige, si mama na ang mag-decide. Mao ba na design sa family? The answer is no. Because ang design sa family is ang papa ang mag-lead, ang mama ang mag-submit. Ang papa ang mag-lead, ang mama ang mag-submit. Balihunin mo na ang pamilya mahimong chaotic. Gubot. Pag ang babae mo lead, ang lalaki mo submit, that is not the design of God. And we think nga kung lalaki ka and you just don't talk, and then you just don't say anything, and then sige, ikaw na lang, abi nato kay humble ka. You are wrong. Let us not mix humility with the leadership that God has placed in your life. Amen? Wala po na nagpasabot na kung mubarog ka as a leader in what you believe is right, prideful na ka. No, it's not.